Welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would do another bite-sized video, and this is one of the most requested phrases that people ask me to translate for them, and that is how to say I love you. So the Scottish Gaelic for I love you is gaol, agam, orscht. Gaol, agam, orscht. Now loosely translated, I think this, and there are a lot of variations of people have done this quite literally, and it can be my love is on you, or I have love at me on you, or on me at you, or along these lines. And I feel like that broken English loses its sentiment and kind of misses that sense of romance that it should have. So we'll stick with the Gaelic today. Gaol, agam, orscht. 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 So the word gaol is your Scottish Gaelic word for love. Gaol, agam, orscht. And I hope that helps you learn how to say I love you to whoever it may be in Scottish Gaelic. So if you have any suggestions of any videos that you would like to see, please let me know in the comments. I am loving reading all the comments and seeing how far and wide these videos seem to be reaching. It's incredible, and I'm really blown away by the level of support that I've been getting, and yeah, I'm a bit taken aback, but I appreciate it. Please know that I do appreciate it. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye.